Welcome to my channel. Learn and speak English daily. I open my eyes. I open my eyes. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I stand on the floor. I stand on the floor. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I step into the bathroom. I step into the bathroom. I wash my face. I wash my face. I wash my face. I wash my face. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I pick up me toothbrush. I pick up me toothbrush. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I dry my hands. I dry my hands. I open the bathroom door. I open the bathroom door. I leave the bathroom. I leave the bathroom. I walk to my bedroom. I walk to my bedroom. I open my wardrobe. I open my wardrobe. I choose my clothes. I choose my clothes. I put on my shirt. I put on my shirt. I comb my hairs. I comb my hairs. I look out the window. I look out the window. I walk into the kitchen. I walk into the kitchen. I open a cupboard. I open a cupboard. I take out a glass. I take out a glass. I pour some water. I pour some water. I drink the water. I drink the water. I put the glass in the sink. I put the glass in the sink. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I slice the bread. I slice the bread. I eat my bread. I eat my bread. I swallow my food. I swallow my food. I stand up again. I stand up again. I walk to the hallway. I walk to the hallway. I put on my socks. I put on my socks. I lock the door. I lock the door. I walk down the street. I walk down the street. I breathe the fresh air. I breathe the fresh air.